Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to use Bank2OFX utility. You can download Bank2OFX at propersoft.net/products/Bank2OFX. Click the download button and then select Windows or Mac version to download. Once downloaded and installed, start Bank2OFX. Read the welcome message as it provides important details about the conversion process. Select a file with transactions that you would like to convert. It could be a PDF file for bank or credit card statement, QIF or QMTF file exported from Quicken or other accounting software, OFX, QFX, QBO, STA or MT940 file downloaded from online banking. Review transactions before converting. Make sure dates are correct, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set the account ID and account type. The account ID must be digits only. You can enter actual account number or credit card number or shortened number. It is important to use the same number when you convert multiple files for the same account, and use a different number when you start converting for another account. For example, let's start with the first file for a checking account. Convert the first file and use account ID as 10000001. Then you convert to a second file for the same checking account. Keep the same account ID 10001. Then you start with the credit card account. For the first file for the credit card account, change the account ID to another number, for example 100002. And for the second file for this same credit card account, keep the account ID as 100002. And when you start working with another account, make sure to adjust the account type as well. The currency can be adjusted as specific accounting software may require the currency match on the OFX file to what you have set in the accounting system. Bank ID and branch ID are also settings that you need to set for some accounting software, for example like Sage 50, to match exactly what you have in your accounting system to import OFX files successfully. If your accounting software does not require bank ID or branch ID, or does not consider or does not check, then simply leave this blank. Another important setting is Target, OFX Target. So depending on your accounting software, there's slightly different settings for the OFX file. So it could be like longer payee names or longer memo for certain software that allows it, or could be date format slightly different for older software like MS Money 99. So those things are important to select depending on your accounting software. There are some other settings at the bottom that are discussed in another video. I would skip this for now, as you need them only in specific situations, and you know when you need to change these settings. Set open after save checkbox if you would like the software installed on your computer to open created OFX file. If you have Microsoft Money installed, then it would be Microsoft Money to open this OFX file. For this video, we will uncheck this open after save checkbox. We will create OFX file and manually import it in MS Money. Click the convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. To import created OFX file in MS Money, click File, Import, Downloaded Statement. Go to location where you saved the file and select it, and then select account in MS Money to import, and import complete, and review transactions. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.